Hi everyone, my name is VikkiToria. Thank you so much for watching. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I created this bluish brown eye makeup look. So let's get started. Like always, I'm first priming my eyelids and I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 05 and I'm blending it out with my finger. Next, I'm setting that with my Yardley translucent powder. And the palette I'm using is the Morphe 35N palette and I'm dipping into this light orange shade over here. For my crease area, I kind of wanted to warm it up using a brown shade. So I started with this kind of light orange shade which is going to warm up my crease area. So I'm blending this all the way from the inner corner to the outer corner. Now I'm going in with a color which is a little bit darker, but it has the same undertone. So I'm going to do the exact same thing as I did with the other color, just blending this from the inner corner to the outer corner, kind of making circular motions with my brush, making sure that the shade is nicely blended into my crease and also kind of making round motions around the outer V of my eyelid. For the next step, I'm going to take this color, which it's kind of like a brown color with a reddish undertone, and I'm going to focus the shade mainly in the outer area of the eye. I kind of pack on the product with my brush and then I'm again making those circular motions to blend it out. And I'm just building up the color slowly. So now I'm going in with this black eyeshadow and I'm kind of doing the same as I did with the brown shade, kind of packing that in the outer V and blending it out. Now I'm going in with this light white shade and I'm kind of like packing this on at the beginning part of the eyelid. I want to create kind of like an ombre from light to dark, so that's why I'm starting with this kind of light white shade. Next I'm going in with this color which is kind of like a sky blue shade and I'm pressing this in the center part of my eyelid. And I'm using the Morphe 35S palette. So personally, with a shade like this, I do prefer to use my finger. So I first went in with a brush and then I went back in using my finger because the color payoff is just so much more when you use your finger. So now I'm going in with this purpley toned color and I'm going to apply this kind of softly on top of the blue, but not all the way over the sky blue shade, just kind of midway and then towards the outer V. So you will get a nice transition from light to dark. And then I'm going to go in with a clean brush and blend around the edges so that there's no harsh lines. Now I'm going in with my Palladio gel liner and I'm going to use this to create a simple line above the lash line. Now I'm going back in with that black eyeshadow and I'm going to use a tiny amount of that to kind of smudge it around the outer part of where the eyeliner stops, just to make it less harsh. So for the next step, I'm just going to finish my face off camera, apply some false lashes, and I'll be right back. Now for underneath the eyes, first I'm just going to use this black eyeliner and I'm going to add that to the waterline. Now I'm going to go back in one more time with a black eyeshadow, using this with a really tiny brush and kind of like pressing this right underneath the lower lash line. And also kind of on top of the waterline to kind of make it as black as possible. Next I'm going back in with that blue shade and I'm going to use this color to blend out the lower lash line. I absolutely love blue colors. It's just so pretty, especially on brown eyes. It really makes brown eyes pop. So now I'm going back in with that light color and I'm using it in the inner corner of the eye, and then I'm going in with some mascara to finish off the look. So this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did, and also don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already. Thank you so much for watching. Until I see you guys next time, keep smiling. Bye.